Do you feel confused when talking to someone in English? Because you can't really understand what they're saying? Maybe people speak too fast, so you cannot hear the words clearly. Or you hear the words, but you don't know the meaning. And the truth is, when listening is difficult, speaking becomes difficult too. Because if you can't understand what people are saying, how can you talk to them? Don't worry. Today's lesson will help you fix that. In this video, I'll show you a special method to train your ears in a smart way. You will practice with 3 parts. Fill in the blank, select the missing word, and choose the best answers. Just relax, listen carefully, and try to catch the missing words. You will learn useful vocabulary from real-life examples. It will help you remember them longer. So let's begin with the first part. Part 1. Fill in the blank. In Part 1, you will have to fill in the blanks while listening to 2 short conversations. You will have 5 seconds for each answer. Get ready and listen closely. Conversation 1. Check-in counter.
Good morning. Welcome to Skyward Airways. Where are you flying to today?
Hello. I am flying to Rome, Italy.
Can I see your passports, please?
Sure.
Thank you. And do you have any luggage to check in today?
Yes, I have 1 big suitcase and 1 carry-on bag.
Great. For your checked suitcase, please place it on the scale for me.
Here you go.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. Your suitcase is overweight.
Really? How many pounds is it?
Your suitcase is 53 pounds, sir, but you can only have 50 pounds.
Great. So what options do I have? I really don't want to leave anything behind.
You have 2 options, sir. You can pay an extra fee. It's $20 per extra pound.
$20 per extra pound?
Yes, I understand, sir. Many passengers are surprised too.
What about option 2?
Option 2 is that you can take some items out and put them in your carry-on bag.
Let me think. Yeah, let me just remove a few things out.
Of course, sir. Please take your suitcase off the scale.
$20? Unbelievable. I could buy a nice dinner with that.
Just let me know when you're ready and I'll weigh it again for you. Take your time.
Okay, I think I'm done. Is it good now?
Let me check. It's 49 pounds now. You're ready to go.
Oh, perfect. Finally, I was a little stressed for a moment.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B8 and the flight starts at 10:30 a.m.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for your patience and your help.
My pleasure. Have a fantastic flight and enjoy your time in Italy.
Conversation 2. Asking for directions in the airport.
Gate B8. Gate B8. Where is it? Is it this way or that way? Why is this airport so big? Excuse me? Could you help me, please?
Of course, sir. How can I help you?
I'm looking for Gate B8, but I think I'm lost. My flight starts boarding in about 40 minutes, so I'm a little worried.
Gate B8. Let me see. Okay. You're in Terminal 1 right now. You need to go to Terminal 2 for that gate.
Oh, Terminal 2? How do I get there from here? Is it a long walk?
Gate B8 is not far from here. You just need to turn right at the coffee shop over there.
Okay. So, I turn right at the coffee shop.
Yes? Then go straight for about 200 meters. You will see a big sign that says Terminal 2.
Turn right, go straight, and look for the big sign. Got it.
After that, take the escalator down. It will bring you straight to Terminal 2.
Great! And once I get to Terminal 2, how do I find the gate itself?
It's easy from there. Just follow the blue signs. Gate B8 will be on your left side. It's next to a small restaurant and close to the restrooms.
Ah, okay. That really helps. I was walking in circles for 5 minutes.
It happens. Airports can be confusing, especially when you're in a hurry.
True. Thank you so much for your help.
One more thing, sir. Before you go, always check the board for any last-minute update.
Oh, right, the flight information board. Thanks for the reminder. I will check it.
No problem at all, sir. Have a safe flight.
I will. Thanks again. Bye.
Part 2. Select the missing word. In Part 2, you will listen to another conversation. There will be some blanks, and you have to select the correct word or phrase to complete the sentences. Again, you will have 5 seconds for each answer. Stay focused and trust your ears. Conversation 3. Day in a language class.
Hi there. Is this seat taken?
Oh, hello? No, it's free. Please, sit down.
Thanks. I'm Cora. Nice to meet you.
I'm Kumiko. Nice to meet you, Cora. You are also student here?
Yeah, I started a few weeks ago. I saw your new face, so I wanted to say hello.
Ah, okay. I just start. Today is my first time. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. I felt the same on my first day too. So, where are you from?
I'm from Japan. And you?
I'm from Greece. I moved here last year. I'm 23 years old, by the way.
23? I'm 20. So, how is it living here?
It's good. Different, but I'm starting to like it. Are you working or studying, Kumiko?
I study art at a college. I love drawing and painting.
Ooh, I love art too, but I'm really bad at it. I like watching movies more. Sometimes I hang out with friends and we watch movies together.
Movies are fun. What do you do, Cora?
Well, I just finished school and now I really need to improve my English.
Why is that? Your English sounds fine.
I want to find a job here, and companies need people to speak good English. Why do you want to learn English, Kumiko?
Oh, I learn English because of my studies. I also want to talk with people here.
That makes sense. This class helps a lot. After 3 weeks, I already feel more confident.
Really? I'm happy to hear that.
You'll be fine. Hey, I was thinking, since we both want to practice English, maybe we can go to a cafe after class and practice. If you're free, of course.
Sure, that sounds nice.
Perfect. Looks like the teacher is here.
Part 3. Choose the best answer. In this part, you will listen to 2 short conversations. After that, you will answer 3 questions based on what you hear. Pay close attention, think carefully, and choose the best answer. Conversation 4. Busy morning.
Look who is finally here. Whoa, are you okay, Dean? You look like a zombie.
Very funny, Sam. This morning was a mess. One thing after another.
What happened? You're never this late.
My alarm didn't ring. I always wake up at 7, but today I opened my eyes and it was 8:15 a.m. So I jumped out of bed like a superhero. Fast shower, fast clothes,
Dean? I think your shoes don't match. One is a work shoe and the other one.
I know. I only saw it when I got here. I was in a hurry. I didn't even look.
Did you at least have breakfast? Or a cup of coffee? Anything?
Nope. Nothing. I completely forgot to eat. My brain was just screaming, bus, bus, bus.
Why didn't you drive? You have a car, right? It's faster.
My car is broken, still at the repair shop, so I had to run to the bus stop.
Oh, the bus?
I got to the street and I saw it. My bus was driving away and it didn't wait for me.
Ouch, that's just bad luck.
The next bus was so slow. Then I ran from the bus stop to the office. And finally, I walked in at 9:15.
Please tell me that our manager didn't see you.
Yes, Mr. Miller did see me, and he was not happy. He gave me that scary look.
Hey, but you are here now. That's good. Here, have my cookies. You need food, and maybe a quick shoe change later.
Thanks, Sam. You're my hero today. I was so hungry I thought I might fall over.
Just eat the cookies, Dean.
Question 1. What time did Dean wake up today? A. 7 a.m. B. 8:15 a.m. C. 6:30 a.m. Question 2. What did Dean forget to do at home? A. Shower. B. Eat breakfast. C. Brush his teeth. Question 3. Did Mr. Miller see Dean come in late? A. Yes, Mr. Miller saw Dean come in late. B. No, Mr. Miller did not see Dean come in late. Conversation 5. Simple evening routine.
Thanks for inviting me for dinner, sis. You really are a great cook.
Oh, thanks. I'm happy you like the food. It's nice to have a relaxed dinner together.
Yeah, We should do this more often.
So, tell me, what does a normal Tuesday night look like for my little brother now? I feel like we never talk about our normal days.
Oh, it's nothing much. I usually finish work around 6 p.m., then I just relax. I don't really cook much during the week, so I eat dinner pretty late, like 8 or even 9.
9 p.m.? That's so late. I usually eat dinner around 6:30.
Well, that's you, not me. After dinner, I text some friends or watch TV. That's it.
So, no hobbies? No exercise?
My only exercise is walking from the sofa to the fridge.
Tom, after I eat, I read a book for about 30 minutes. Then I do some light exercise, some yoga or a short walk.
Wow, you live like a grandma.
It's just a simple routine. It helps me sleep well. And what time do you go to sleep?
I go to bed at midnight. Hey, don't look at me that way. Do you go to sleep at the perfect time?
Of course, at 10:30 p.m. No phone after 10.
Okay, whoa. You and I are really different.
Everyone has their own style. You are a chill person, and I am a plan person. That's okay.
Yeah, I guess you're right. As long as we're both happy.
But promise me you'll at least try putting the phone down a bit earlier. You'll feel better.
Maybe. I'll think about it. But no promises.
Question 1. What time does Tom usually eat dinner? A. 6:30 p.m. B. 10:30 p.m. C. 9 p.m. Question 2. What does Lena usually do after she eats dinner? A. Exercise. B. Read a book. C. Go to sleep. Question 3. How are Tom and Lena different? A. Tom is chill and Lena likes to plan. B. Tom sleeps early and Lena sleeps late. C. They have the same daily routine. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this lesson was helpful. Remember, the more you practice, the better you will become. So keep listening and keep learning. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.